WordPress User Private Profile Feature. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the WordPress User Private Profile feature. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not offer this feature. With Youzify, your members can lock their profile and their activities, so only friends can see them. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Settings and BuddyPress. On the Components tab, enable site tracking by checking it. And then, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and Wall Settings. Scroll down to control wall posts visibility and enable new blog post. You also can enable new blog comment if you want also to share comments on your article posts to the activity page automatically. Let's create a new article post for testing. And then, I publish it. And here it is, the article will be shared to the activity feed automatically. So members can see it and go to the article easily. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.